Today we there with.
Then I must, I made them call Delimax, everything cool and relax, all they up on the spot. They should know, boom, bang.
Beenieman or Vice Kartel, who you think is the king of dancehall?
Boy, I mean, I tell you, the two of them really are work to the top, and the two of them put out a good work. Maybe that's a boy, I say right now, in the new millennium, I really Kartel. You see me, I say, because Beenieman done do more than a decade. You see me, I say, me don't know the thing balance. Boom, bang.
If you have a king, you must have a prince. Who is the prince of dancehall?
So the prince, I tell her to the more mind sharp on me, Because John me I put out the work, you see. I know say I'm a chicken me a jerk. They should know. I come to the shop, I must get served. At the music attack, Delimax, as they up on spot. Then I must.
You a piece of DJ?
Yeah, we tell them don't get weak in a Babylon seat. Babylon just get defeat. No, them want we swim in the deepest sea. Damn, don't want we drive the most expensive jeep. Babylon act like them nice. Me say it, ready fi go give a lot of surprise. And I tell you, say them more than polite. Boom, if you flip, you know that you slide. Die, ready fi go take them on another light. And right in the sight of the Almighty eye. This is more than wonders, this is more than sign. You never act like you're blind. They should know. Then I must.
Alright, DJ.